Hi everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel, and in this quick video I will show you how to refund a game on Steam step by step, and it will be complete a fully updated video for you guys. So without any further ado, let's get started. So first of all, you just need to know the refund rules. Actually, before you request a refund, make sure you qualify. Steam policy says you can refund any game if you bought it within the last 14 days and you have played it for less than 2 hours. I hope you understand what is the policy they made. So if you want to refund, you just need to go onto the support, like open Steam support. First open Steam and then log in, click help at the top left, then select Steam support. Here you just need to click over here, then you can go to help.steampower.com in the browser, and then you just need to find it out your game. Like under Steam support, click to the purchase. Here you will click to the purchase. Once you click over here, you will see the list of your recent games. I will, like, I don't purchase any of games, that's why I'm not able to see it here. Then you just need to find a game and you want to refund and click on it. This is the easiest way, or you can go through this one, like click on account details and then go to the view purchase history, and if you purchase anything and you fulfill the refund requirement, then you can go with these options. Here you will find out the link, you just need to click over here and then it will redirect you to the next place. And also you can go with these refund options. Here you can see the refund applied, so you can read these options. Then let's request the refund, like choose I would like to refund, or it's not what I expected, then click I would like to request a refund and select if you want the money back to your Steam wallet or use original payment method. Fill out the short form and explain why you are refunding. Something simple like did not run well on my PC is fine. Then wait for the approval, like click submit request, and Steam usually process refunds within a few hours to get a few days. You will get an email when it's done, and that's it. You are, or you have requested a refund, and that's how your refund game is on Steam in 2025. If this helped you out, please like, subscribe and drop a comment if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.